Hey there, welcome to Animal Fact Frenzy. Flamingos are basically the show-offs of the bird world. Bright pink feathers, ridiculously long necks, and an impressive habit, standing on one leg for hours at a time. It looks uncomfortable, but flamingos do it all the time, even while they sleep. Today we'll break down the surprising mix of biology and behavior that makes this iconic pose possible. We'll cover the main ideas scientists think explain it: staying warm, saving energy, body mechanics, and even being ready for danger. By the end you'll see that this isn't a weird fashion choice, it's evolution doing its best life hack. Reason number 1, thermoregulation, staying warm in cold water. Flamingos spend a lot of time standing in shallow water to feed on tiny organisms. Water steals heat from the body much faster than air, so keeping both legs in the water would mean losing a lot of body heat. By tucking one leg up into their feathers, flamingos reduce the area exposed to cold water and conserve warmth. For flamingos, that single-legged stance is an efficient way to keep core temperature steady while still being able to feed with their heads down. The feathers and the tucked leg create an insulated pocket that keeps them cozy. Reason number 2, a special leg lock mechanism. It's almost passive. Flamingos aren't constantly straining to hold themselves up, their bodies do most of the work. Their leg and hip anatomy include tendons and ligaments that lock into place when the leg is extended, allowing them to balance with minimal muscular effort. In other words, they can stand on one leg almost passively, like a human leaning on a cane that locks itself. This passive support is crucial for long periods of standing. If flamingos had to actively engage muscles the whole time, they'd tire quickly. The leg locking mechanism explains why they can hold the pose while sleeping or preening for hours without getting exhausted. Reason number 3, energy conservation, small savings add up. Standing upright on two legs for long stretches uses energy. By switching to a mostly passive, one-leg posture, flamingos likely reduce their metabolic cost. Even small energy savings matter in the wild, where food availability can change and every kilojoule counts. Conservation of energy helps them survive long feeding sessions and harsh conditions. Researchers who measured energy use found that birds in similar positions expend less energy when a limb is tucked compared to when both are supporting weight. For flamingos, those savings add up across days and seasons, especially for chicks, nests, and migratory individuals. Reason number 4, vigilance, comfort, and reducing muscle fatigue. Standing on one leg may also help flamingos shift the load between legs over time. By alternating the tucked leg, they can rest different muscle groups while still staying upright and alert. This is handy when they're watching for predators, social signals, or competitors while feeding. Plus, tucking the leg into their plumage helps keep that limb clean and dry, important for avoiding parasites and maintaining feather condition. So the one-leg stance hits several practical notes: rest, cleanliness, and staying ready to flee if needed. Here is a quick myth busting about flamingos. A few myths float around, that flamingos stand on one leg because they're injured, or because they're showing off. While injured birds might favor one leg, the behavior is normal and widespread among healthy flamingos. And the dramatic look, pure evolution, not vanity. Scientists continue studying the behavior with field observations and lab tests, but the evidence points to a package of benefits: warmth, energy savings, anatomy, and practical comfort, not a single mystery reason. So next time you see a flamingo frozen on one leg, remember, it's not a pose, it's a clever survival trick. Warmth, a leg-locking mechanism, energy savings, and comfort all combine to make that iconic stance a brilliant piece of natural engineering. Nature's life hack, in pink. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, subscribe for more wildlife mysteries, and tell us in the comments, would you stand on one leg for an hour for better sleep? I'll read the funniest answers in the next video. Thanks for watching.